Hey guys, this is Janish Shavish, and in this video we're gonna see about how many dancing styles does Kamal Hassan know. Okay, now let's get into the video. For those of you who don't know, Kamal Hassan is a professional dancer. He has been studying Bharatanatyam from a very young age, but only from the age of 12 he started learning it professionally. And he also studied Kuchipudi and Kathak when he was young. And later on he also studied Kathakali. And he mastered all of them. So Kamal Hassan has 4 Indian classical dancing styles under his belt. Kamal Hassan predominantly uses dance moves from these 4 disciplines. There is only one way to describe Kamal Hassan's dancing: pure perfection. From the smallest detail to the big one, Kamal Hassan does it with ease. From his neck to his face, from his eyebrows to his eyeballs, everything moves when he dances. This shows that Kamal Hassan has a good muscle-mind connection. He is able to move the smallest part in his body to cope with the rhythm. For a muscular guy, Kamal Hassan is so flexible and bendy. And he didn't stop there, he learned many more Indian dancing styles. He learned Cherau dancing style from northeastern India. In this dancing style they jump over baboon sticks while performing. And he also learned Bhangra, a Punjabi dancing style. He learned Angra, Kuttatam, Thirukuthu. Thirukuthu is more of a theoretical form than a dance form. He also learned Puliyatham. This is an ancient Tamil folk dance in which they mimic the attributes of a tiger. He also studied Silambatham. This is a martial folk dance in which they use weapons. He also studied Thayyam dance. It's a ritual dance form of Kerala. This is my favorite because you can feel Kamal Hassan's energy and presence emitting from the screen. He also studied many Western dance styles, starting with disco. From the late 60s to the early 70s, the world was going through a disco era. But it only came to India in the early 80s. Actors learned disco to satisfy the people's hunger to this new dance form. And Kamal Hassan was no exception. He disco danced his way throughout the 80s. Kamal Hassan also learned tap dancing. He also studied ballet. When Kamal Hassan does ballet moves, you cannot find any mistake in them. They are that perfect. Because the main thing in ballet is balance. Kamal Hassan has learned many Indian classical dancing styles, so he has a good center of gravity. His feet and toes are used to handling a lot of stress and weight. Because of this factor, he is able to do ballet without falling down. He also studied breakdancing. He is able to move his body parts independently to the rhythm. And he also learned many difficult moves in breakdancing. And he also knows how to mix many styles and do freestyle dancing. He has also learned umbrella and violin dance. He has also done daredevil stunts while dancing. This shows his dedication level. Kamal Hassan does shift between style, but when he does, you cannot find any mixture between the styles. This clearly shows that Kamal Hassan is so focused and disciplined. This is why in the 80s he was considered as the most talented dancer in India. This is a newspaper article in 1980 saying that Bombay heroes are afraid of Kamal Hassan. And they also say that Kamal Hassan is a better disco dancer than Mithun and Rishi combined. And that's it everyone, hope you enjoyed this video. This is Janish Shabrish signing off.